making red beans with rice. Now, this isn't a classic red beans and rice recipe. I found this one on Epicurious's website, but it seemed approachable. Now, this is the night before, so I'm gonna do a little bit of prep, sort and clean my beans, slice up some of the proteins and onions and garlic. So without further ado, let's get into it. Some of this rice. That's a good hearty meal. Maybe not the best on a hot day, but there's something comforting about it. I think if you add your go-to hot sauce to this would just like pop off. I feel like I could have added a little more salt, but I definitely kind of took it easy to keep it a little more neutral, mainly because I anticipate adding hot sauce, which if you didn't know, has plenty of salt for you. And that's it. Nice and easy one. It does take a little bit of time, but I feel like even if you are still learning how to cook or exploring things, then this would be a very approachable recipe. And now I got food for the rest of the week. Whoop whoop. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep on cooking.